good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day it's going to be today, right? You were born for greatness. You're making a difference. You're making an impact, and the impact you're making is changing lives. And I just got to spend some time with a colleague today, and we started talking about things that we could do in the future that we knew how to do, but things we needed to learn how to do so that we could be better at serving and helping others. And yesterday I kind of talked about, some of the things that you know how to do that you hope you never use. One of them was CPR. So that's what I talked about yesterday. Like, you should know how to do CPR, because if somebody's life is needed and it's a life, saving opportunity, you'll be able to do that because you know what to do. Not because you watched it on TV, because you actually went through the steps of learning how to do a thing that you hope you never have to do. Another thing that I thought about as I was doing, I walked by a fire extinguisher. And was thinking how many people, I don't know if I ever even taught my kids how to use a fire extinguisher, because it's a fire and you want to put it out. I mean, it shouldn't be hard, right? You pull the pin and push the button, but are you checking those things? Are you making sure that they're full? Are you making sure that they're ready to go when you're ready to use them? And there's so many preparation things that we can do in our lives. And that's what it made me think about. What am I preparing for that I may never have to use, but need to know how to do it? What's in my business, or what's in my life, or what are the things that I need to do that I need to make sure that I'm prepared for? You think of like a kid, if I need food, if there's no water, if there's no, if that goes out or the electricity goes out, we have candles, we have things like that. And we know how to use those and light them up, but are we prepared for things that might happen? And then you think about relationships, right? Am I preparing my mind in relationships to be able to help somebody out when something happens? When somebody passes away, or when somebody has a domestic issue that they need to deal with? Have I walked through those steps and know how to help somebody? And sometimes helping somebody is just being there, right? But do I know that? Have I prepared myself to be able to help somebody else in their time of need? All right, so you guys have a wonderful day, knowing to doing and making sure that we work on that. And don't forget, your God's greatest gift. He loves you if you allow him to. And so make it a special day today. We'll talk with you tomorrow.